Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to explore the fascinating world of industrial standards, their importance, and how they can make or break your business. We'll delve into the insights of Taiichi Ohno, the mastermind behind many of today's industrial standards, and discuss how his principles can be applied to modern maintenance and reliability teams. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets to selecting the right plan, sticking to it, and achieving maintenance and asset reliability. Now let's dive right in with a powerful quote from Taiichi Ohno. Without standards, there can be no improvement. This holds true in every aspect of life and especially in the world of industrial standards. Taiichi Ohno was the mastermind behind many of today's industrial standards, developing production and management programs for Toyota that include the Total Production System, lean manufacturing, and just-in-time manufacturing. So what's the key takeaway here? Well, it's simple. If you don't have a plan and standards, you're setting yourself up for failure. This is particularly true for maintenance and reliability leaders who can't do their work in isolation. They need to be connected to the larger organization and meet its performance requirements. Choosing the right plan and sticking to its components is a surefire way to achieve maintenance and asset reliability. But it's not always easy. Many organizations modify systems to suit their current situation and the goals they want to achieve. Very few companies adopt or use all of the various standards and programs without making some changes. This is because most systems are continuously modified to meet current experiences and challenges. Now let's think about selecting tried and true plans. The saying, "You measure what you value," is a good indicator of what to look for when choosing a plan. Standards reflect an organization's culture, so the right plan should measure what an organization values and work within its culture. A key component of most modern production systems is the importance of the relationship between all of an organization's entities. Team members on the production floor can work with the maintenance team and vice versa. The latest version of Ohno's Total Production System is Total Productive Maintenance, or TPM. TPM started in the 1960s, and many of its components are familiar to those involved in modern manufacturing. The foundation of TPM is the 5S process, supported by 8 pillars of activities. The big idea behind TPM is that operators participate in the maintenance of equipment, leading to improved manufacturing performance. Fewer breakdowns and defects from TPM activities can boost an organization's performance. But TPM is not the only option. ISO 55000 provides a detailed roadmap to meet the rules of the International Organization for Standardization, or ISO. ISO provides a standard platform to measure an organization's success. Another straightforward standards measurement is the primary use of maintenance metrics with a focus on equipment downtime and the performance of the maintenance branch through the use of a computerized maintenance management system. When adopting a maintenance system, solutions include downtime, reporting from production, maintenance, adherence to work plans, and quality failures due to equipment conditions. However, labor and cost analysis can be a tricky metric when establishing maintenance performance standards. It's better for maintenance leaders to pursue those standards that they control directly. Work order compliance is a great start. Equipment downtime and line speed data are usually available through most control systems. Understanding current conditions and goals is crucial. That's why matching an organization's culture and communication is vital. Many organizations find their equipment costs go up because they encounter previously unseen problems when pursuing programs like predictive maintenance. It's better when all parties are involved in understanding equipment and its maintenance requirements. Once you've chosen a plan, it's important to stay true to it. Good data is the tool to measure your operation's current status and progress following adoption of a standard. Good data comes from the constant and accurate input of data into a computerized maintenance management system or other type of maintenance software. Plans developed with the active participation of all parties improves adherence and engagement. Maintenance technicians need to be prepared to participate in a program with the clerks in the front office, as well as fellow technicians to boost program support. In conclusion, maintenance leaders should select standards that meet the organization's culture and goals. There are several plans to choose from, and most are modified to fit the organization. Selected plans should be shared broadly within the organization as an entire organization supports effective programs. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of industrial standards, the principles of Taiichi Ohno, and how to select and stick to the right plan for maintenance and asset reliability. Remember, without standards, there can be no improvement. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.